Indian Air Force has landed a new C-130J Super Hercules transport aircraft in Daulat Beg Oldie, just a few kilometers from where the Chinese incursion in the Depsang Plains took place. These are pictures of the landing just a short while earlier. Now, Daulat Beg Oldie is located at an altitude of 16,614 feet, so this landing could qualify as a world record for an aircraft landing at this altitude. The Indian Air Force first landed transports here between 1962 and 1965, and then after a gap of 43 years, the Air Force started landing at DBO 4 years ago. But this particular aircraft, the Hercules, can carry significantly more loads than any other aircraft that operate here, and is therefore of great value for the Indian Army, which needs to keep its soldiers stocked with equipment. But that message will certainly not be lost on China, given the location. Well, Shruti Ranjan Sen joining us for more on that. Shruti, a world record of sorts, but also a not so very veiled message to China there?
Well, it's a very clear message to China, because C-130Js or the Super Hercules are medium transport aircraft that can carry in quite a lot of men and material and reach places quite fast. So the message that goes across to China, is very obvious in this. And mind you, this is the area that this is where India and China were engaged in a face-off in March, which continued for about 20 days, and literally brought the relationship between the two countries to a brink. So India very clearly trying to send a message that it has the capability to deploy both men and equipment at this in these areas. Mind you, these are very hostile areas, and although the Air Force had been able to land earlier in 2008, it had reactivated. Those were smaller aircraft. Therefore, the ability to move men and material is much smaller. Right. But with this, it's a clear indication about the the number of men and material you can move in. Briefly, today at about the plane landed, the C-130J landed at about 6:54 early morning today.